Hey guys, so I'm just gonna get a little footage of me making colored pancakes for breakfast. So just come along with me when I do that.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
There. Just keep mixing. I'm gonna have to add some more red to that one because I want, that's like pink. It needs to be like a darker green. But this one's gonna be darker green. Probably add some more batter, just so it won't be so like. So yeah, I think we're good on that one. And then this one, we're gonna add some more red.
Oh, you got green, it's fine.
It's okay. Make sure we get the right red consistency that we want. So I think that's a good red. It's like a red. Do you like that? It's like red.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have that one. I'm just gonna add the rest of this green one here. The rest of this pancake batter to this one.
Then you're gonna have to make more pancakes.
No, we're good. We're only gonna do 3 colors. I was gonna do yellow, but yellow's not really a Christmas color.
Yeah.
Yellow is not a Christmas color.
Yes, it is. Blue is not a Christmas color.
Okay, then get. What do you mean blue? We didn't do blue. That's purple. So we could do one more. So Kristen, get a scoop of that. Oh, hold on, let's step this out. Guys, we're gonna do one more thing. One more color, which is gonna be yellow. So we'll be back when we have it done and we're getting ready to make. Forget to make sure you turn on those post notification bell. Ding. Okay, I'm actually leaving now. Bye. So I'm back and I made these nice different kind of shapes. So stars, Christmas trees, gingerbread people, and then like a mitten and then a present. Then I made cheesy eggs with pepperonis, and then I made Christmas pancakes. I have red, green, yellow, and then there's like a purple under all of it. But yeah, that's all I made. So, yep. Give me a second. And if this is the end of the vlog, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you get notified every time we post a new video. Peace out, Solomon family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Solomon Family channel. This sun is bright out here, but right now I thought I'd take y'all with me. I'm with Raya, who is actually a Girl Scout. And this is probably her last year doing it. I think this is her last ceremony. So we out here for, well, I'm out here with her. I'm out here with her for her bridging ceremony. So I'm gonna get as much footage as I can, but they're real particular about filming the girls and stuff. They have real tight rules. But I'm gonna definitely get a picture of her in her uniform. She don't want me to, but I'm gonna get it. I don't know why you got that jacket on, but yeah, I'm gonna get much footage as I can. We're at this park. I've never been to this park before. I'm gonna try to show like the park. All right. Congratulations, girl.